Allahabad High Court APS series exercise 10 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The petitioner number 1, a Muslim aged about 18 years, and petitioner number 2, a Hindu aged about 25 years, have approached this court seeking protection of their life and liberty on the averments that the petitioners, being major, performed marriage on 15/1/2021 at Shiv Mandir village Durana as per Hindu rites and ceremonies against the wishes of respondent number 4, and the petitioners are apprehending threat to their life and liberty at their instance. In support of the averments made in the petition, the petitioners have also enclosed photographs taken at the time of their marriage. Stop para. Notice of motion restricted to respondents number 1 to 3 only. Pursuant to supply of advance copy, Mr. Ranveer Singh Arya, Additional AG Haryana, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of respondents number 1 to 3. Learned Counsel for the petitioners states that representation dated 5/2/21 Annexure P4 was made to the Superintendent of Police, Ambala City, seeking necessary protection, but no action has been taken so far in the matter and prays for issuance of direction in this regard. Stop para. Learned State Council has no objection if appropriate direction for providing requisite protection to the petitioners is given. In the present case, petitioner number 1, who is Muslim, performed marriage with petitioner number 2 in accordance with Hindu rites and ceremonies, which will prima facie be not valid as admittedly petitioner number 1 did not convert to Hindu religion before solemnization of marriage in accordance with Hindu rites and ceremonies. However, petitioner number 1, being major, is entitled to live with a person and at a place of her choice, and both the petitioners will be entitled to live in a relationship in the nature of marriage and also to protection of their life and liberty. For judicial precedent in this regard, reference may be made to judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Nanda Kumar and another versus State of Kerala and others 2018 bracket 2 RCR bracket civil 899 stop para. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of with the directions to respondent number 2, Superintendent of Police, Ambala City, to look into the grievances of the petitioners as set out in the petition and also expressed in the representation Annexure P4 and take appropriate action for protection of their life and liberty as may be warranted by the circumstances. However, it is clarified that in that case, any criminal case has been is registered against petitioner number 2, then nothing in this order shall be construed as a bar for taking of appropriate action by the police authorities against him in respect thereof in accordance with law. The registry of this court is directed to send a copy of this order along with copy of the petition and above said representation to respondent number 2, Superintendent of Police, Ambala City, for requisite compliance. Stop.